In the heart of the African savanna, where the sun burns brightest, a story of courage and change unfolds. Meet Lioness, a proud western lioness, her golden fur shimmering under the vast sky. She's swift, strong, and her amber eyes hold a fire of determination that challenges the very traditions of her pride. For generations, the pride has been ruled by a single powerful male, his magnificent dark mane, a symbol of unquestionable authority. He is the law, the protector, the king. But Lioness sees a different path, a future where strength is measured not just by brute force, but by intelligence, cooperation, and speed. She watches the young lions like Rako, a skeptical but curious male with a leaner build and a shorter mane. He represents the new generation, torn between the old ways and the promise of something new. Rako observes Lioness's every move, his expression a mix of doubt and intrigue. Can a lioness truly lead? Can she protect them from the dangers that lurk beyond the tall grass? Lioness knows she must prove herself. It's not about overthrowing the king, it's about redefining what it means to be strong. One day, a severe drought tests the pride to its limits. The usual waterholes dry up, and the herds they hunt migrate far away. The mighty male leader, relying on his strength alone, struggles to provide. His roar, once a symbol of power, now echoes with desperation. This is Lioness's moment. Using her intimate knowledge of the land, her speed, and her strategic mind, she leads a small, swift hunting party on a different course. She remembers a hidden spring, a secret passed down through generations of lionesses. Rako, choosing to trust her, follows closely. They travel for miles, their paws sore, their bodies weary, but Lioness's spirit never wavers. They find the spring, a small oasis of life in the parched land. There they successfully hunt, not through overwhelming force, but through clever teamwork and precision. When they return with food, it's a turning point. The pride sees that Lioness's way, a blend of wisdom and strength, has saved them. The old king looks at her, a silent acknowledgement passing between them. A new era has dawned on the savanna, an era where leadership is earned, not just inherited. Lioness, the golden lioness, has shown them all that the heart of a leader beats in the chest of anyone brave enough to guide their family home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories from the wild.